Hello friends, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my B in North Maharashtra University and today's date is 31 January and 22, and today's topic is OOPS concept. Then what is OOPS concept? OOPS concept is a object oriented programming language uh, that is based on classes and objects. Then what is classes and object? Object is the primary purpose of the object oriented programming is increasing the flexibility and maintainability of the program. Object oriented programming brings together data, its behavior, methods, a single location, and makes it easier to understand how a program works. We we will cover each every features, and we will see while the OOPS concept, the first object, or then what is the first object? Object is a bundle of data, it is its behavior, uh, and its method. Objects have types of behavior. They have states and behavior. We can see the one of the example, the house state, address, color, area, and behavior. Open close doors, characteristics of the object. If you find hard understand abstraction and encapsulation, don't we have some next topic with that handle the abstraction. Then it is the abstraction is a part of OOPS concept. Encapsulation can be abstraction is a process where you show the only relevant data and hide unnecessary details from that object from the user. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation simply means binding the objects, states, fields, and behavior methods together. If you are creating class, you are doing encapsulation, message passing in the single object by itself may be not useful, and in the application maybe object is one of the interact with another object, and by invoking the method, that object class can be considered as a blueprint using which creates and as many objects and you like. For example, we have classes website that two data members can be also find fields, instance variable, and object states. This is just blueprints. It does not represent any website. However, using this we can create website object that represents the website we have created. While we creating the object, the provider provided same separatory properties object. And in OOPS concept there are most important topic is constructor. It look like a method, it is a fact not method, it is same as a class name. It does not return any value. You must have seen this statement is in almost have all programs have shared about. When we create a my class object in a new class, it looks like a right side hand side statement. We are calling default constructor class of my class and creating new object. There are main feature of the main concept of the OOPS concept is programming in Java is a very in a situation manner. Then what is abstraction? Abstraction is the process when you show relevant data and hide some unnecessary details from the object. Using example, when you logging a bank account on online, enter user ID and password, you did not see the what happens in background, but you can log in and enter the site and data sent to the server and gets verified. It is all about abstraction away from the real. The user cannot see the what is in the background. Another topic of OOPS concept is encapsulation. It means simply binding the object with the behavior method together or creating a class. You are doing the encapsulation by inheritance process in which one class acquire the all properties and functionalities of the another class. We called inheritance. Inheritance provides the idea reusability of code. Each subclass defines only those features that are unique to it. Rest of the feature cannot be inherited from the parent class. There are some types of inheritance. We see single inheritance refers the child and parent class relationship where a class extends the another class. Multi-level inheritance refers a child to a parent class relationship where a class extend child class. For example, class A extend the class B and class B extend the class C. We can see hierarchical inheritance refers the child and parent class relationship where the more than one classes extend the same classes. For example, class B extends the class A and class C extends the class A. We can see the multiple inheritance also. The class extends the more than one classes, which means the classes has two parent class. Java doesn't support the multiple inheritance, but it can be achieved by the interface. In that programming language, a single action in different way. For example, let's say we have animal class that has declined and